Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to set your profile photo in the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. Updating your profile picture is a quick way to personalize your account and let your contacts see a new side of you. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the window. This is the menu icon. Clicking on it will open up more options for you to choose from. Next, select Settings from the menu. This will take you to a page where you can customize various aspects of your Telegram account. Now, focus on your current profile picture, which should be visible in your settings. Click on it to start the process of changing your photo. After that, choose the option that says Upload Photo. This will allow you to select an image from your computer to use as your new profile picture. Once you've selected the image you want to use, simply confirm the upload. Your new profile photo will be updated immediately, giving your account a fresh look. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to easily set your profile photo in the Telegram app on your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.